Who has been appointed as the 26th governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Who has become the world's youngest chess champion recently? Correct answer is option B, D. Gukesh. Who has been appointed as the 51st Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Sanjeev Khanna.
Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. What is India's rank in the Corruption Perception Index released in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, 96th. Ovo Sabinto, the president of which country was the chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. Who has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of IDBI Bank? Correct answer is option B, Rakesh Sharma. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Dubai, UAE.
Who won the title of 73rd Miss Universe 2024? Correct answer is option B, Victoria Athevig. Which country recently became a new member of the BRICS New Development Bank? Correct answer is option A, Algeria. Who has been awarded the prestigious Olympic Order by the International Olympic Committee? Correct answer is option A, Abhinav Bindra. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for 2024? Correct answer is option A, Nihon Hidenkyo. Who has won the Nobel Prize 2024 in Literature? Correct answer is option C, Ha Keng. Who has been honored with the 34th Vyas Samman? Correct answer is option B, Surya Bala.
Who has been appointed as the chairperson of SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India? Right answer is option B, Tuhin Kanta Pandey.
Who has been appointed as the new Chief of the Indian Air Force in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Amarpreet Singh. Who among the following is honored with the prestigious Ramon Magsaysay Award for 2024? Correct answer is option B, Hayao Miyazaki. Who has become the president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Shami Silva. Who has been appointed as the chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Correct answer is option B, Satish Kumar. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup 2034? Correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel, Orbital? Correct answer is option B, Samantha Harvey. Who is the permanent representative of India to the United Nations? Correct answer is option A, Parvataneni Harish.
Who has been appointed as the new Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Correct answer is option C, V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation? Correct answer is option C, Faiz Ahmad Kidwai. General V.K. Singh has been appointed as the new governor of which state? Correct answer is option B, Mizoram. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Food Corporation of India, AFCI? Correct answer is option C, Ashutosh Agnihotri. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. Joseph Aoun has been elected as president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Lebanon. Who won the Tata Steel Masters 2025 title at Netherlands in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, R. Praganananda.
Dr. Ambrose and Gary Rifkin received the 2024 Nobel Prize in Medicine for the discovery of. Correct answer is option B, microRNA. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of State Bank of India in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Chala Srinivasulu Setty. Who is appointed as the new CAG of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, S. Somnath. Recently, which Indian received the Whitley Gold Award 2024? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Barman. Country hosted the 16th BRICS Summit in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Russia. Who has been elected as the Director General of the International Solar Alliance? Correct answer is option B, Ashish Khanna. Who has been appointed as the Chairperson of National Commission for Women? Correct answer is option A, Vijay Rahadkar. Who has been appointed as the Director of FBI by Donald Trump? Correct answer is option C, Kash Patel.
Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option B, Dibrugarh. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Who won gold medal in the women's 75 kg boxing event at the National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lovlina Borgohain. Bart de Wever has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, Belgium. Which country won the ICC Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup 2025 title? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Services Sports Control Board. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Which team recently won the Men's Hockey India League title? Correct answer is option A, Rad Bengal Tigers. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A, Guneri Inland Mangroves. Who was honored with the BCCI's Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Who is the present governor of Manipur? Correct answer option B, Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Who has won the title of Indian Snooker Championship 2025? Right answer is option C, Pankaj Advani. Who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India, whose term has been extended till March 2027? Correct answer is option B, V. Ananta Nageshwaran. Which country is the host of Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, France. Where was the 8th Indian Ocean Conference 2025 being held? Correct answer is option A, Muscat, Oman. How many new sites have been added to Ramsar sites in India recently? Correct answer is option B, 4. Which Indian city is the host of BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Who was honored with the Paulie Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Right answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Where has South Africa's largest Hindu temple been inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option C, Johannesburg. Where has the exercise Sagar Kavach been conducted by the Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. Which state is the host of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Which country has recently joined OPEC Plus? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. Dmitry Bakanov has become the Director General of which country's state-run space agency? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Who has been recently appointed as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Where was the 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Harbin, China. Which country has topped the medal tally of 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Which organization has recently launched the One Man Office initiative? Correct answer is option C, LIC. Who has recently taken charge as the Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option A, Vivek Joshi. Jotham Napat has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vanuatu. Nariman Sharma has been honored with Padma Shri Award for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option A, Indian agriculture. Which former Chief Justice of India received the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jagdish Singh Kehar. Michael Martin has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ireland. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Burman. Konstantinos Tsoulas has recently been elected as the new president of which country? Correct answer is option D, Greece. Who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option A, Bhuvanesh Kumar. Which country will host the next Olympics in 2028? Correct answer is option C, Los Angeles, USA. Who has been honored with the prestigious Aryabhatta Award for his contribution to aeronautics? Correct answer is option B, Swabha Rao Pavuluri. Where will India and US set up the first multi-material chip fabrication plant? Correct answer is option B, Jewar, Uttar Pradesh. Who was awarded the Rohini Nair Prize 2024 for promoting STEM education in rural India? Correct answer is option A, Anil Pradhan. Who has been honored with the MS Swaminathan Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Professor B.R. Kamboj. Who among the following recently took charge as Cabinet Secretary? Correct answer is option C, T.V. Somanathan. Which city is the host of Women's Asian Hockey Champions Trophy 2024? Correct answer is option C, Rajgir, Bihar. Which player has been chosen as the WTA, Women's Tennis Association, Player of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option B, Aryna Sabalenka. Who won the 2024 Formula One World Drivers' Championship? Correct answer is option B, Max Verstappen. Which country has won the 9th Women's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024? Correct answer is option D, India. Which country has won the 20th Asian Women's Handball Championship in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who won the FIFA Best Men's Footballer of the Year Award 2024? Correct answer is option A. Vinicius Jr. Who won men's single title in tennis in the Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option A. Novak Djokovic. Who has been awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer is option A. Novak Djokovic. Who has won men's singles title at the 2024 US Open? Correct answer is option D. Jannik Sinner. Who has been elected as the new Secretary General of Interpol? Right answer is option B. Valdeci Urquiza. Which player won the men's 2024 Ballon d'Or award? Right answer is option A. Rodri. Which female footballer won the Women's Ballon d'Or Award 2024? Correct answer is option C. Aitana Bonmati. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of NHRC? Correct answer is option B. V. Ramasubramanian. Harini Amarasuriya has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option D. Sri Lanka. Which state government recently launched the Subhadra Yojana scheme? Correct answer is option A. Odisha. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award 2024 for Hindi? Right answer is option A. Gagan Gill. Which of the following PSU has become the 14th Maharatna company recently? Correct answer is option C. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. Sashi Tikuch has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which company? Correct answer is option D. Maruti Suzuki India. Which men's kabaddi team won the gold medal at the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A. Uttar Pradesh.
John Mahama has been elected as the new president of which country? Correct answer is option B. Ghana. Who has become the new chairman of Airports Authority of India? Correct answer is option C. Vipin Kumar. Who has been elected as the 11th president of Asian Development Bank, ADB? Correct answer is option A. Masato Kanda. Who has been recently appointed as the new managing director of SBI? Correct answer is option B. Rama Mohan Rao Amara. Which actor was recently honored with the Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 2024? Correct answer is option C. Mithun Chakrabarti. Who has been named as the first Indian ambassador of the International Table Tennis Federation? Correct answer is option B. Sharat Kamal. Who has been elected as the first Indian president of the Olympic Council of Asia? Correct answer is option B. Randhir Singh. Who has been awarded the 2024 Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace? Correct answer is option A. Michelle Bachelet. Who won the women's singles title at the Syed Modi International Badminton Tournament 2024? Correct answer is option D. PV Sindhu.
Tashego Gailai has become the first black woman to be crowned Mrs. World in 2025. She belongs to which country? Correct answer is option C. South Africa.
Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah has been elected as the first female president of which country? Correct answer is option A. Namibia. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2025 held? Correct answer is option B. Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Which country won the most medals in the Paris Olympics 2024? Correct answer is option A. USA.
D. Nageshwar Reddy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option C. Medicine.
Who was sworn in as Mexico's first female president in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Claudia Sheinbaum. Who has been honored with the prestigious Pen Pinter Prize 2024 for her unflinching and unswerving writings? Correct answer is option B, Arundhati Roy. Who was conferred with the prestigious Nelson Mandela Lifetime Achievement Award? Correct answer is option B, Vinod Ganatra. Which film won the Best Film Award at International Indian Film Academy Awards in 2024? Right answer is option A, Animal. Who has been awarded Lata Mangeshkar Puraskar 2024? Correct answer is option B, Amitabh Bachchan. Who has won the title of Davis Cup 2024? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Which state has been honored with the Best Agriculture State Award for 2024? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Kharchi Puja is celebrated in which state of India? Correct answer is option C, Tripura. New Zealand defeated which country to win the Women's T20 World Cup 2024? Correct answer is option D, South Africa. Which of the following is India's recently commissioned second nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine? Correct answer is option B, INS Arighat. Which country will host the 2026 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option D, Glasgow, Scotland. Recently, India's first private military aircraft factory, Tata Aircraft Complex, was inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Shigeru Ishiba has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Which country has won the Copa America 2024 title by defeating Colombia? Correct answer is option A, Argentina. Who is the Indian woman cricketer inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Correct answer is option C, Neetu David. Which country has become the newest non-regional member of the Asian Development Bank? Correct answer is option C, Israel. Which country has been officially declared malaria-free by the World Health Organization recently? Correct answer is option C, Egypt. Which team won the IPL 2024 title? Correct answer is option A, Kolkata Knight Riders. Tulsi Gabbard has been appointed as the Director of National Intelligence in which country? Correct answer is option B, USA.
Who won the prestigious Abel Prize 2024? Correct answer is option B, Michelle Talgrand. Kristina Piskova, of which country, was crowned Miss World 2024? Correct answer is option C, Czech Republic. German author Jenny Erpenbeck and translator Michael Hoffman have won the prestigious International Booker Prize in 2024 for which novel? Correct answer is option B, Kairos. Who among the following has been appointed as the Director of Enforcement Directorate in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Rahul Naveen. Which Indian has been selected for the Goldman Environmental Prize 2024? Correct answer is option C, Alok Shukla. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of NATO 2024? Correct answer is option B, Mark Rutte. The joint exercise, Dharma Guardian, has been organized between India and which country? Right answer, option D, Japan. Who has been honored with the 58th Jnanpith Award in 2024? Correct answer is option C, both A and B, Gulzar and Jagat Guru Rambhadracharya. Where was the world's first nuclear energy summit held in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Belgium. Paul Kagame was sworn in as the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Rwanda. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2024? Correct answer is option B, 159th rank. Which country has won the Thomas and Uber Cup 2024 title? Correct answer is option D, China. How many Bharat Ratna awards were given in 2024? Correct answer is option C, 5. Who has been appointed as the Chief of Army Staff? Right answer is option B, General Upendra Dwivedi. Who has been elected as the President of the 79th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Correct answer is option B, Filmong Yang. Which film has won the 2024 National Film Award for Best Feature Film? Correct answer is option B, Atom. Who has been awarded the highest civilian Grand Collar of the Order Award of Timor-Leste? Right answer option B, Draupadi Murmu. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of the Naval Staff? Correct answer is option B, Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Which country has withdrawn from the United Nations Human Rights Council after US? Correct answer is option C, Israel. Which Indian origin astronaut set a new record for the longest spacewalking time by a woman? Right answer is option B, Sunita Williams. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which country has announced the withdrawal from the World Health Organization following the United States? Correct answer is option B, Argentina. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B, 4 players. Gukesh D for chess, Harmanpreet Singh for hockey, Praveen Kumar in para-athletics, Manu Bahakar in shooting. Which state won the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. Which team recently won the Pro Kabaddi League title? Correct answer is option B, Haryana Steelers. Who has been named ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option A, Smriti Mandhana. Zoran Milanovic has been elected as president of which country in January 2025? Correct answer is option A, Croatia. Which team won the first edition of Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category? Correct answer is option A, India. Z-More Tunnel, which was seen in the news, is located in which state, UT? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option B, 7. What was the theme for Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. Kokborok language is recognized as one of the official languages of which state? Correct answer is option D, Tripura. Which two Indian cities recently joined the list of accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Correct answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. Which institution has published the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Who has won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which Indian city has the most traffic congestion, as per TomTom Traffic Index released in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kolkata. Karpad and Chal beaches of which Indian state have received the prestigious Blue Flag certification? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been appointed as Lebanon's new Prime Minister? Correct answer is option A, Nawaf Salam. Which country was declared the host of the FIFA Women's World Cup 2027? Correct answer is option A, Brazil. Which team won the title of Durand Cup 2024? Correct answer is option A, Northeast United. Neeraj Chopra won which medal in the men's javelin throw event at the Paris Olympics 2024? Right answer is option B, silver. Makaravilakku festival is recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Who has become the Indian wicket-keeper who has scored the most runs in T20 cricket? Correct answer is option A, Dinesh Karthik. Which country will host the first ever World Audio-Visual Entertainment Summit, WAVES? Correct answer is option B, India. Judith Sumantra Tuluka recently became the first woman Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option C, Democratic Republic of Congo. Which state is the largest contributor to India's GDP? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Who has won the Allan Border Medal 2025 at Australian Cricket Awards? Right answer is option B, Travis Head. India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam Port, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of ESIC? Right answer is option B, Ashok Kumar Singh. Who among the following recently took charge as Defense Secretary? Correct answer is option B, Rajesh Kumar Singh. Which city has been officially declared as India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Right answer, option D, Kozhikode. Hwasong 19, an intercontinental ballistic missile, is developed by which country? Correct answer is option B, North Korea. Who has been named Person of the Year for 2024 by Time magazine? Correct answer is option D, Donald Trump. Which word has been selected as Oxford Word of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option A, brain rot. Which team won the 2024 Women's T20 World Cup? Correct answer is option B, New Zealand. Which country won 2024 Women's T20 Asia Cup? Correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Who won the men's and women's singles titles at the Senior National Table Tennis Championships 2025? Right answer is option B, Manush Shah and Dia Chitle. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Where was India's first Writers' Village inaugurated recently? Correct answer is option B, Dehradun. Which of the following countries will host the FIFA World Cup in 2026? Correct answer is option B, the USA, Canada, and Mexico. Who is the author of the book Ratan Tata, A Life? Correct answer is option B, Thomas Matthew. Who won the women's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Madison Keys. Who won the ICC Men's T20 International Cricketer of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer is option C, Arshdeep Singh. Which country won the ICC Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup 2025 title? Correct answer is option A, India. How many medals have been won by India at the 17th Paralympic Games in Paris? Correct answer is option B, 29 medals. Osamu Suzuki was honored with the Padma Vibhushan for contributions in which field? Correct answer is option C, trade and industry. Exercise Sinbax has recently conducted between which two countries? Correct answer is option C, India and Cambodia. Which country revoked India's most favored nation status under its double taxation avoidance agreement? Correct answer is option D, Switzerland. Mikhail Kavlashvili becomes the new president of which country? Correct answer is option A, Georgia. Who won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Which state government has launched Sanjeevani Yojana to provide free healthcare to residents aged 60 years and above? Correct answer is option C, Delhi. Which country unveiled the world's first 6G device? Correct answer is option B, Japan. Which country won their fifth Billie Jean King Cup title in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Which country has won the 9th Women's Hockey Junior Asia Cup 2024? Correct answer is option D, India. Which state topped the State Food Safety Index (SFSI) 2024? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which state government recently launched the Urjaveer scheme to promote energy-efficient appliances? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Who is the author of the book Dalai Lama's Secret to Happiness? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Dinesh Shara. India secured which rank in IMF Artificial Intelligence Preparedness Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 72nd rank. By which year has India set a target to eliminate lymphatic filariasis? Correct answer is option B, 2027. What was the theme of the 18th Pravasi Bhartiya Divas 2025? Correct answer is option A, Diaspora's contribution to a Viksit Bharat. Which country's metro network has become third largest metro network in the world? Correct answer is option B, India. Who has become the first woman Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR? Correct answer is option D, N. Kalasalvi. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission? Correct answer is option A, Arvind Panagriya. Which country becomes the first in the world to eliminate leprosy? Right answer is option B, Jordan. The country's first Hindi literary museum was in which city? Correct answer is option C, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been honored with the Lifetime Achievement category of UNEP Champions of Earth Award 2024? Correct answer is option B, Madhav Gadgil. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. What is the name of the 6th Scorpene submarine recently delivered by the Mazagon Dock shipbuilders to the Indian Navy? Right answer is option C, INS Wagshir. Who has been appointed as the chairman of UPSC? Correct answer is option C, Preeti Sudan. Who will host the BRICS Youth Entrepreneurship Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option B, India. Who has become the director in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas? Right answer is option D, Sagar Singh Kalsi. Who won the Best Country Album Award at the 67th Grammy Awards? Correct answer is option A, Cowboy Carter. Who has been elected as the president of the Athletics Federation of India? Correct answer is option C, Bahadur Singh Sagu. Who has been appointed as the chairman cum managing director of National Aluminium Company Limited, NALCO? Correct answer is option A, Brijendra Pratap Singh. Armando Colaco, who received the Dronacharya Award in 2025, is a coach of which sport? Correct answer is option A, football. Which state won the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A, West Bengal. The Defense Ministry has declared 2025 as the year of. Correct answer is option A, defense reforms. Which country has recently launched the CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? Correct answer is option B, China. Who becomes the youngest female to climb the highest peaks in all 7 continents? Correct answer is option B, Kamya Karthikeyan. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option C, Manish Singhal. Which state has recently unveiled India's first glass sea bridge? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Which space agency successfully launched the SpaceX mission? Correct answer option C, ISRO. The Kargil Dance Festival was recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Who won the title of World Blitz Chess Championship 2024? Correct answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen and Ian Nepomniachtchi. Who won the title of 2024 FIDE Women's World Rapid Championship? Correct answer is option A, Koneru Hampi, who is set to become the next Chancellor of Germany in February 2025. Correct answer is option C, Friedrich Merz. In which country the annual meeting of World Economic Forum 2025 has been organized? Correct answer is option C, Davos, Switzerland. Who authored the book In Pursuit of Democracy, Beyond Party Lines? Correct answer is option A, Najma Heptullah. Which of the following won the Best Film Award at the 78th British Academy Film Awards in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Conclave. Who has won the BBC Sportswoman of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Manu Bhaker. Who has been appointed as the new governor of Orissa? Right answer is option B, Kambhampati Haribabu. Which airport has been named as Jagadguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj Airport in 2024? Correct answer is option C, Pune Airport. Which country will host the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option A, South Africa. Which state has launched Kalagner Handicrafts scheme recently? Correct answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Where was the 16th session of UNCCD Conference of Parties COP16 held recently? Right answer is option A, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Aman Sehrawat, who won the bronze medal at Paris Olympics 2024, is associated with which sport? Correct answer is option B, wrestling. Who won the best film at the 97th Academy Awards? Correct answer is option C, Anora. Test question: who has been recently elected as the Chief Minister of Delhi? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.